Shabbat Shalom. My name is Robin and I'm a core member here at Bethlehem Messianic Congregation. We begin our Torah portion in Ki Tavo in Deuteronomy 26. And we are currently in the Hebrew month of Elul on God's calendar. The 4 letters of Elul are said to be an acronym. For I am for my beloved, and my beloved is for me. As the king is in the field and we're blowing the shofar each day of this month, there's a special closeness to God as we step into this parashah. The opening of Ki Tavo describes the first fruits offering and the declaration upon the completion of the tithing. There are blessings for those that follow God's laws and curses for those that don't. As I meditated on God's words, He tells us to keep His laws and rules faithfully with all your heart and soul. Then we will be God's treasured people who observe all the divine commandments. I think about when Moses came down from the mountain, and seeing the golden calf, he went back up during the 40 days within Elul, interceding and pleading with God for Israel. When he returned with the second set of tablets, his face shone the light. In our New Testament reading in Matthew 4, we read the people sitting in darkness have seen a great light, and to those sitting in the land of the shadow of death, a light has shined for them. I wonder, what is that light? We get a hint from Isaiah 60. Arise, shine, for your light has come, and the glory of God has risen upon you. Gentiles and kings come to the brightness of His rising. I think Yeshua is that bright light for the Gentiles to bring them out of the shadow of death and receive the good news. We have an opportunity to be joined together with the commonwealth of Israel so that we will no longer be strangers to the covenants of promise. Does that mean all the commandments have been done away with? No. Yeshua in Matthew 5 says, "Do not think that I have come to abolish the law or the prophets." He says He has come to fulfill them, saying, "Until heaven and earth pass away, not one smallest letter or the least stroke of a pen will disappear from the law." We're told to set up stones when we enter the land of milk and honey and write this teaching upon them. Was Yeshua the first stone, the chief cornerstone? Yes. Now we must follow by inscribing Yeshua's teachings, replacing our stony hearts with hearts of flesh. May we see Yeshua's return in this generation. Shavua Tov.